What's up everyone, it's Tectonic. Today, I'm hacking my own biology. I drank a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil every day for a month. The internet claims olive oil does everything from boosting heart health to giving you glowing skin. But what's real? I track my energy, sleep, skin, hair, and mood for 30 days. Some results surprise me. Let's dive into the 20 biggest changes I noticed from this experiment. The first thing I noticed? My digestion improved within days. I used to get occasional bloating, especially after big meals. Drinking olive oil in the morning seemed to lubricate my system. Less bloating, more regularity. Science backs this up. Olive oil stimulates bile and enzyme production, helping break down food. By week 1, discomfort I thought was normal was gone. My system felt tuned up and more predictable. This early win kept me motivated for the rest of the month. Next up, energy. I usually hit a mid-afternoon slump, but after a week, my energy was steady all day. Olive oil's healthy fats provide slow, sustained fuel, no more crashes or desperate coffee runs. I powered through editing sessions and meetings with focus. Coffee became a treat, not a necessity. This shift in energy changed my productivity and my day-to-day life. Sustained energy was a total game changer. My skin, especially my dry cheeks and hands, felt different after about 10 days. Softer, less rough, and more hydrated from within. Olive oil's vitamin E and antioxidants help reinforce the skin's barrier, locking in moisture. Dry patches faded, and my skin had a new glow. I used less moisturizer and noticed a dewy quality I'd never had before. What you eat really does show up on your skin. For anyone with dry skin, this was a standout benefit. Internal nourishment beat out any lotion. My hair got shinier and healthier looking by week 3. It wasn't greasy, just vibrant and more reflective under lights. The same fats and vitamin E that help skin also nourish hair from the inside. My hair felt softer, less frizzy, and more manageable. It was a subtle, steady improvement, clear when comparing day 1 to day 30. I didn't change my hair products, it was all from within. Another external sign of internal change. My notorious sweet tooth, practically gone. About a week in, I stopped craving chocolate and cookies. Healthy fats like olive oil keep you full and stabilize blood sugar, so cravings fade. I wasn't fighting temptation, the urge just disappeared. I made better food choices all day without thinking about it. Reducing sugar was effortless, not a battle of willpower. This was a huge win for my overall health. My brain felt sharper, like a fog had lifted. Focus, creativity, and problem-solving all improved. Our brains need quality fats, and olive oil delivers. The anti-inflammatory properties may also reduce brain fog. I got into flow states more easily and distractions faded. Editing complex videos felt easier and more intuitive. This wasn't a caffeine buzz, just calm, clear thinking. The cognitive boost was one of my favorite outcomes. Despite adding 120 calories of fat daily, I lost 2 pounds. Olive oil's satiety meant I snacked less and ate smaller portions. The calories from olive oil replaced empty calories from snacks. Quality of calories mattered more than quantity. Healthy fats helped me manage weight naturally. No crash diets, just a simple sustainable shift. This experiment changed how I think about fat and weight. I noticed less stiffness in my knees and back, especially after sitting or working out. Olive oil contains oleocanthal, a natural anti-inflammatory. My warm-ups felt easier, and post-workout soreness faded faster. It wasn't a miracle cure, but my joints felt smoother and more flexible. The difference was clear during daily movement and exercise. It felt like I'd greased my hinges from the inside. A welcome, unexpected benefit. My nails, usually weak and prone to peeling, became stronger and smoother. Even after banging my hand, my nails didn't chip. Vitamin E in olive oil supports nail health and growth. The healthy fats help your body absorb these nutrients. It's a small detail, but seeing stronger nails was real proof of internal change. Another sign of being well-nourished from within. My sleep improved. I woke up more refreshed and slept through the night. Olive oil's anti-inflammatory effects and blood sugar stability likely played a role. Less inflammation means deeper, more restorative sleep. Stable blood sugar prevents nighttime awakenings. My sleep tracker showed more deep sleep. Better sleep boosted my energy and focus even more. This was a major quality of life upgrade. I felt less achy, puffy, and sore overall. Olive oil's antioxidants and oleocanthal act as natural anti-inflammatories. It's not about masking pain, but addressing inflammation at the source. I noticed less muscle soreness, less morning stiffness, and even reduced skin redness. The effect was systemic. My whole body felt calmer. This is a top reason to make olive oil a daily habit. I didn't do before and after blood tests, but science is clear. Olive oil improves cholesterol, it lowers LDL, bad, cholesterol, and supports HDL, good, cholesterol. The antioxidants prevent LDL oxidation, a key step in heart disease. Even without lab results, the evidence is strong. This is why the Mediterranean diet is so heart healthy. Long term, this could be one of the biggest benefits. I stayed healthy even as colds went around my office. Olive oil's antioxidants and vitamin E support immune cells. Less inflammation means a more effective immune response. I felt more resilient and robust all month. While I can't prove it was the oil, I noticed a difference. Feeling strong during cold season was a big confidence boost. My breath felt fresher, especially in the morning. Olive oil's antibacterial properties may help balance oral bacteria. A healthier gut microbiome can also improve breath. I wasn't oil pulling, just swallowing the oil. Waking up with a cleaner mouth was a pleasant surprise. Small, but it added to the overall sense of health. My mood was more stable and positive. I felt less irritable and more resilient to stress. Olive oil's healthy fats support brain chemistry and neurotransmitters. Stable blood sugar meant fewer mood swings. Less inflammation may also help with emotional balance. I wasn't euphoric, just consistently content and steady. This made daily life feel smoother and more manageable. My gums became less sensitive and stopped bleeding when I flossed. Olive oil's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects helped my gum health. Less plaque and inflammation meant firmer, pinker gums. It was a clear, visible improvement, a dietary change with a direct oral health benefit. Another motivator to keep up the habit. I went from 2 or 3 tension headaches a week to maybe 1 all month. Olive oil's anti-inflammatory effects likely raised my headache threshold. Better hydration and stable blood sugar also helped. I got through long workdays without that familiar ache. This was a huge, unexpected quality of life boost. Less pain, more productivity. The benefits for heart health go beyond cholesterol. Olive oil's polyphenols help blood vessels relax, lowering blood pressure. Antioxidants prevent LDL oxidation, reducing plaque risk. Less stress and inflammation likely contributed to a healthier baseline. The science is strong. Olive oil is a heart health champion. It's a powerful, multifaceted strategy for long-term protection. Olive oil helped me get more out of the healthy foods I ate. Vitamins A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble. They need fat to be absorbed. Adding olive oil to meals maximizes nutrient payoff. Better absorption means better health overall. It's not just what you eat, but how you eat it. This was a lesson in nutritional synergy. The biggest change? A profound sense of well-being. Better sleep, energy, focus, and mood all added up. My body and mind felt in sync, like a well-oiled machine. These were real, tangible improvements, not placebo. Small, consistent actions made a huge difference. This experiment showed how much control we have over our health. Sometimes, the simplest changes have the biggest impact. So, those are the 20 biggest changes I noticed from drinking olive oil daily. The most impactful? Sustained energy, mental clarity, and fewer sugar cravings. My skin, digestion, and sleep also improved. Remember, this is my experience. Your results may vary. Always consult your doctor before making changes. Use high-quality extra virgin olive oil for best results. Let me know your thoughts and experiences in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health experiments.